Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to enable the 2FA in Bitget. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It is quite easy. We have also created a tutorial if you are facing any issues. Now let us simply look at how to enable the 2FA. At the top right next to the search icon, you can see your profile picture right here. Click on it. Once you do, these things will open up. From here, as you can see, there are multiple options. But right now, all you need to do is focus on the security button right here. Click on it. And this is it. As you can see from here, we can enable the two-factor authentication. It can be the passkey, Google Authenticator, phone number verification, or simply email verification. Right now, I'm gonna select the Google Authenticator one. I'm simply gonna hit on configure. Now what I'm gonna do is simply scan this QR code. Well, I have scanned it and I have received the OTP. I'm just gonna enter the details right here. And once you've done that, simply hit on submit. Now as you can see, a security verification code will be sent to the registered email address. Simply enter it right here. Well, I'm simply gonna enter the code, and once you've done that, simply hit on confirm. And guys, that is it. That's how we enable two-factor authentication in Bitget. It is quite easy. I hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.